Hello everyone, welcome to Contacts Only. Contacts Only is simply a call blocking app that allows you to only receive calls from your contacts. The reason why we developed Contacts Only is because spammers and telemarketers, they keep getting new phone numbers to call you from, and therefore no matter if you blacklist the previous numbers, the new phone calls will always come through. So with contacts only, there's no need for you to keep adding numbers to a blacklist. It blocks all the external calls for you. If it's a blocked call or any sort of calls that's not in your contacts, it will block the call. Now, when you open the app, it's already enabled. As you can see here, it says enable, currently blocking all calls not in your contacts. You can simply turn it off with the click of a button like that. Now it's off and it's disabled, currently allowing all calls. Now, when you're expecting a call, either from a pizza delivery guy or just any call in general, you can simply momentarily turn the app off, or you can add the phone number ahead of time to your contacts, so the call will come through. Now, the cool thing about contacts only, I'll turn it back on, is that it notifies you every time it blocks a call. So even if you forget that you have the app installed, it will let you know that a call has been blocked. Therefore, if you're expecting an important call, you'll remember and come here and either turn it off or add that phone number ahead of time to your contact list. As you receive these calls, it will count the calls that has been blocked for you, and they will be saved here in a call log where you can easily just add them to contacts, right? By clicking at the Add to Contact button, and the screen will come up, and you can easily add the phone number to your contact list. It also tracks the date and the time of the phone call. You can clear a call log with just clicking the Clear All button. Not going to do that now. And but that's it. It's pretty simple to use. There's a sharing feature here as well, in case you want to share it with your friends or someone that needs to block calls from spammers, or just I know it's a known issue out there, and that's the reason why we decided to develop a simple solution that takes care of that. The problem that we've saw with other call blockers is that some of them do a pretty good job, but there are always some calls that comes through because spammers and telemarketers, they keep buying new phone numbers, and therefore those phone numbers are not blacklisted yet, and the calls will just come through. And they use a lot of little techniques like IP rotation and all of that. So contacts only takes care of that. You never get a call from that you don't want. All right. If you have any questions or thoughts on how we can make the app better, please send us an email at contactsonlyapp@gmail.com. And thank you very much. Thank you for considering our app, and have a great day.